Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the signal path and gain, make sure input isn't clipping, and leave 612 dB headroom. Once that's done, pick the EQ type, parametric for precision, graphic for broad strokes. Next, insert the EQ on the track or master bus and enable monitoring. Set a neutral preset if you want a starting point. Then, engage a conservative high-pass filter around 2060 Hz to clean rumble. Finally, solo the source briefly to hear what needs addressing before boosting anything. You now sculpt the sound. Use a narrow cue and sweep to find harsh or muddy spots, then apply cuts of 3-6 dB to tame them. Once the problems are under control, switch to wider cue settings to shape body and presence. Boost gently 1-3 dB across mid-ranges. Make sure to listen in context, toggle solo and unsolo frequently, and a /B with bypass so you hear musical changes versus artifacts. Also, automate subtle EQ moves for dynamics when a static setting can't fix every passage. You finish by making small, broad adjustments for character. Add 1-2 dB of air around 816 kHz or warmth near 100-300 Hz, and then step back to listen. After that, check how tracks sum to mono and reduce overlapping boosts that cause clutter. Make sure to bypass the EQ to verify improvements. If you encounter phase smearing or comb filtering, invert phase or switch to a linear phase EQ. This fixes timing-related artifacts without drastic tonal shifts. Try that before undoing your settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.